Regalo po pa sa inyo. Sige! Kaya yan, ganyan talaga yung buhay. Sige. Ito yung kami. Paano? Sige, sit sila oh. Oh shit, what happened? Oh, what's this? Oh shit, there's like... I don't know. Let's navigate the area. Oh, food! Nice! Finally, we have food. Wait lang. Kailangan natin to for future purposes. Okay, we need to get this. This. Okay. Dahil malaki na lugar. Okay. Kailangan pa natin humanap ng mga pagkain. I-shield naman tayo, kaya we're good for, ano, we have wood pa naman, di ba? Yeah. So, okay, I think that's kind of a block. Uy! We need to find a base. Oh shit. Hello, I'm home, family. Yes, little brother. I'm home. So let's find another. What the frick? Ganda ng flower na to ba yun? I think it's better if sa taas tayo pumunta. Also like, ay water supply dun sa kabila. So yeah, kunin mo yan. Ba't ko na ayaw kunin? Huwag kang magagabi muna. Ang aga-aga pa. Okay. Let's go. Okay, we have a lava. Did I lag? Oh! Damn, that's a structure. Should we navigate this ba? This is gonna be a good idea to navigate this place. Baka kasing may ano dito eh. Oh shit, punang zombie dun no? Hayop na yan. Oh no. Ay, kunin mo natin to. Ginagawa nito dito. Ba tayo sa taas? Oh! Holy shit! I didn't know. I'm so sorry. How can you see me? I'm so malayo. Okay. Opo, pasensya na po. Oh, pwede na po. Toxic ang bilis ng sunod. Oh, shit. Buti lang talaga nakapag-akyat ako agad. I almost died there, boy. Naputik na yung mga elephant ko, no? Opo, hindi na po lalabas. Pasensya na po. I don't know if I'm gonna navigate. Putik ang kami. Kahit na yan. Oh shit. I'm not going to live anymore. I'm going to die out of hunger. Wala pa akong torch. Wait, I can make some torch pala. I don't even have. Uy! Buti na umakit ako. Okay, saan ang gusto mo po? Do you want damage? I think kaya na nito pala ito. Oh yeah! Oh shit, nakakit sila. Oh yan oh, regalo. Oh. Yan. Regalo po pa sa inyo. Sige! Oh sige! Oh sige! Oh no, sige! Oh! Oh sige! Oh ano yan? Oh, ano? Oh may iron dun boy. Let's go! We just got the iron. Puti-pili pa tayo makapag-XP farm dito eh. Akit kayo dito, bilis! Buti na mga elephant ko, no? Unfazed. Ba't yung ingay nyo? Gusto nyo ba ng malakas ang ano ito? Ano? Oh shit! They're gonna burn, dude. Okay lang. Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. Ganyan talaga yung buhay. Okay lang yan. Ganyan talaga yung buhay. Sige. Tignan yung kami, dude. Then, strategy, di ba? Oh, naubos sila. See, they got demolished by fire. Oh, ito pa tayo naman ito, okay? Stay still. Okay, very good. Yun yan sana. Yung sa ilalim, yung puti kong bami na, okay? XP farm, it's time to speedrun this. 1, 2, let's go. Oh, anong titingin? Akala ko magbabawil ang putik. Kinabahan ako dun, putik na yan. Joke lang po. Kumuha lang po ako ng iron. Ba't kayo nagagalit? Ba't kayo galit? Ba't kayo galit? Ito yung kami na to. Uy! Oh, putik na yun, umatak sa hangin ng putik. Oh, sige. Oh, puto mo. Ano? Patay. Oh. Kalma, man. Dude, calm down, people. Hindi naman po kailangan natin maging aggressive. Nakakapagod yung mga sekonda. Uy! What the frick? Ano yun? How the frick are they climbing? Oh no. They're climbing, dude. Ayos na yan. Oh, what the frick? They're starting to hurt themselves. Oh, they're climbing! Ayos na. Oh yan, climb nyo. Oh, sige, climb nyo yan. Putik na yan, dude. Oh shit. They're starting the World War Z. Shit. Oh no. Oh, they're starting to climb. I'm sorry, but you cannot climb me, you know. I am the master of this. No, naubos tayo. Ubos. Oh shit. Ano, pupuntahin kayo dito? Do not try it. Wag na po. Okay, patay na rin yun. Okay, sige. I am the master here now. Wala kayong magagawa. Mahal mo na. Bata na. Sige nga. Akyat nga kayo ulit. Do the climbing. Do the climbing up. Okay, so we have a gunpowder here. Okay, so it says that rotten flesh can be used as food though, so kukunin natin yung yun. Huwag na kasi kayo magtulakan. Ay, sit sila oh. Ay, sit on protect. Okay, so kaya nagkakahapin din na kayo, bawal yan. Okay, bawal ganyan na, ate. Bawal po maglandian dito ha. Patay na po kayo. Ito po umakyat. Ito po, akyat na po kayo. Sarap, diba? Sarap. Sarap ng apoy. Ubos. Lolo. What the fuck? Yo! Did I just saw them shoot an arrow? Yo, dude! No! Okay, the sun is rising na, okay. Thank you. Please, mawala na kayo muna. Let me have a peaceful day, okay? Are you ready for me? Oh, wait. I can actually just close this, you know? Do you have some loots for me? Please? There's a zombie, dude. Oh, nawala. Perfect. Haha. Ginagawa mo. Oh, yeah. Hello. I don't know why, but why did you go down there? Uy, God. Tama, dude. I'm just here to use mechanical things, you know? I'm not here to kill. Marami yung. Gusto ko na natin tong verse. Thank you. What the heck? Did you just spawn, man? How did you spawn? Saan ka nang galing? Ayan. Wala makapasok. Yo, calm down, people. It putik na walang laman. Seryoso. Since wala naman, let's go up na. Oh! What the frick? Oh shit. Saan yun ang galing? Dude, spawn in. What the frick? Dude just spawned in like nothing happened. There's nothing here. I need blocks, dude, or I'll die. So aggressive ng mga zombie dito. No sign of anything, just rar. Like, man, life is not all about that. Life has other meaning, you know? Crafting ba tayo dito? Oh, nice! Yo! I just got I don't know, but I got this. And it's wow. I don't know if I can use this though. Can I use this now? Nope, I can't use this. Fuck, it's useless. Sayang. Oh shit. Hey yo, what's that? I don't think there is something here. Let's... Oh shit, it's a frog, boy. I didn't know frog exists in this place. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey yo. There's a place here. Oh, it's a village. Nice! There's also a village in this game pala. Hello? Yo, is that... Oh, is that ano? Don't mind if I do. Yes, we need food. Thank you for the food. Crab claw. What can we get from a crab claw? Oh, hello. Oh shit, it's a very big village, dude. Thank you for this wonderful meal. I'll make sure to enjoy this mamaya. If makasurvive man ako. Oh, they also... Oh! A villager! Arms deals. Nagsasell po ba kayo ng... Oh! Oh, Glock! Okay, so walang laman. Ikaw lang ba isa yung naniniwahan dito? Damn, that's sad, man. Okay, so let's try to get some materials here. For weapons naman. Oh! A diamond! Let's go. Okay. Let's go, thank you. Oh, there's a leather cap, leather boots. Okay, so kailangan muna natin matulog kasi magagabi na. On the foot's rush. Okay, let's go! Sweet dreams, boy! No zombies for tonight, let's go! Damn, this is the most safest place I have ever been. Uy, uy! Puti ka, away ko! Ah! Up! Quick, do this! Drop ng gold ang putik! Damn! Thank you very much! I didn't know. Like, oh, akala ko zombie naman. Putik-putik lang, first lang. So let's end the video muna dito kasi I wanna explore this ano muna, and then we'll head to our next place. That's all. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.